So on the site, there's a few ways that we can try and find the product we need. One is by entering a catalog number that we might have already off of the motor we have currently installed in the application. From this screen, if our motor did come up in the search, we can see the price, its availability. We can choose the specifications to make sure that nothing's changed over the years. We can also look at the cross-referencing tool to see other equivalent options that might be a lesser price, a brand we're more used to, or possibly something that's closer to our area so we can get it faster. The second way is to search by specs. So if we search for a catalog number and nothing showed up in our search window, we can actually just go to the motor page, and here we can enter the specs of our motor. So let's say we're looking for a 5 horsepower motor. We know it's 1800 RPM off the nameplate. We know we're running 3-phase power, and we're looking for a 230 volt motor. So as you can see, every time we enter a parameter, the search results drop. So now I have 258 motors to search from. From here, we get to our main search page, and I can scroll down and do a bunch more customizations to my search. So I know this is a motor that's going to be outside, so I want totally enclosed fan cooled. I know that I want it in a 184 T frame because that's what my current one is. Now I'm down to 39 products that I can choose from, and I only want products that are in stock. So I can choose that as well. Now I'm down to 16 products that are listed as in stock in Canada that I can choose from. My motor is just a general purpose. It's not a washdown. Now I'm down to 14 products, and I can make my choice from here. The third way that we can help you out is we do have a technical support team. So if you're having problems possibly crossing your motor over, maybe there's a spec that you're not quite sure about, feel free to contact us at the customer service. We have our phone number. You can do an email or even live chat. Hopefully this helps you out in finding the products you need and helping you with your downtime.